free balloons. And this is not what I was thinking it was. It's called Scary Eye Balloons, D-Bird. Remove the shiny eyes from their backing and place them in the centre of the black circle which represents on each balloon. The one length of string to the grommet what? I don't want to read this. But there's not one. There's not two. There's 3 of them in it. How lovely. I think we'll refocus. This pump's no good. So I don't know where the electronic balloon pump's gone. So we'll try blowing them up with this. So I don't really like blowing these up my mouth because they fill up with moisture. So have another read through this. It says, what is it? Make your property yours again. Eliminates damage, roosting and mess. Contains 3 balloons. So remove the shiny eyes, that's these things here, from the backing and place them in the centre of the black circle which is present on each balloon. The one length of string to the grommet present atop of each balloon. Inflate the balloon. We recommend carefully inserting a hand pump. Take care not to insert too far, as this can cause damage to the valve. You can also blow it up manually. When inflating, apply slight pressure to the valve, allowing it to open. Inflate until firm. Do not overflate. Overinflate. So basically they're saying stick these on the end of a stick and let them fly around in the air. They'd be a bird scarer. This could be fun. I'm struggling because I've got a really bad finger. So let's keep going. Don't need those, do we? Don't need that. Has it got eyes all the way? It's got eyes everywhere, look. I wonder how many stickers you get. Oh, you get lots of stickers. That looks good. Pop that in. They're nice. If we put the stickers on then, just see how bright they look. You might get some reflection from down there. So yeah, there's one of each, so stickers go on there. There we go, do one sticker because I think that's enough if that's going to scare a bird. What do you think? Would you be scared if you were a bird? Ooh. We need something for that now. What a load of rubbish. No wonder they're in the charity shop. What garbage are they creating for this world? More landfill junk. Just go away, stop watching this rubbish.